Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening wherever you're watching me from. My name is Wendu. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber that is based in Zurich, Switzerland. So today I am going to IKEA to buy some lights and some stuff. You know, going to IKEA, you must see something that you don't need but you think you want. So I'm going to be going there to go and do some shopping, but mainly lights actually. Our lights in the house are broken, so I'm going to be taking you along. It's quite a drive, like 30 minutes or so thereabout, but I'm going to be taking you along. Let's go together. I'll show you my beautiful city. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do where to subscribe to my channel. I have amazing content. Go through my channel, you'll definitely see something that interests you. Like I promise, I'll be bringing a lot of videos about Switzerland, about Zurich. If you're thinking about moving to Switzerland, you can think about subscribing to my channel. Okay, yes, so let's do this. Lakeside, which is very beautiful in summer. A lot of people, if you're on holiday, you need to come to the lakeside in Zurich. So you go on the boat, so it takes you for a short cruise or a long cruise. So this is somewhere to visit when you are on holiday in Zurich. So this is called Bellevue, Bouquet Place, Bellevue.
Keep to the left.
I told you Zurich is so clean. Can you see how clean the street is? Very clean and beautiful. So this is somewhere you need to come to when you're Bellevue is somewhere you need to visit when you're on holiday in Zurich during the summer. It's really beautiful. They have a lot of activities, fest, the Caliente street party, everything happens here in the city. University Teaching Hospital of Zurich. So over here is the University Teaching Hospital of Zurich. So you can see this is the hospital over here. Yeah, University Hospital Zurich. So this place is actually very busy in the morning because of the medical students and nursing students and stuff like that. But now it's empty because of it's Saturday and it's Corolla. is it. So we have Jumbo, we have Autos, we have 4-girl shoes, we have Coop, we have Lipo. So we have basically everything and anything you want here, really. So we're here now. It's fully packed, like as you can see. It's packed. There's no space. But we're gonna see. Okay, so let's go. Yeah. We're here now. It's IKEA. Let's see this mask thing. I don't know. Carrying babies, you always get things. So if you come to IKEA, you don't eat the hot dog and bread, that means you didn't come to IKEA. So we're just waiting on the line to get the hot dog and bread. Yes. Ja? Ja, genau. Danke vielmals. IKEA, you didn't eat this, you didn't come to IKEA. Normally this is the only time I get to eat sausage. I normally I don't eat sausage. And when I come to IKEA, after the whole walking around, I think this is the guilty pleasure. Hot dog with bread and mayonnaise. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video. Come and eat, please. Bye. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.